Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to transfer crypto from your SafePal wallet to Cash App. If you've ever been confused because there's no direct option to connect SafePal to Cash App, don't worry. I'll break it down for you in the simplest way possible using Coinbase as the bridge. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any key steps. Well, one wrong move could send your funds to the wrong place. First things first, SafePal can't send directly to Cash App. That's why we'll use Coinbase as our middle step. Step 1, open your SafePal app and choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, most commonly Bitcoin. Then head over to your Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, sign up for free. In Coinbase, go to the Receive section and choose the same cryptocurrency. Copy your Coinbase wallet address. Now back in SafePal, tap Send, paste that address, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check everything. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Confirm and wait for the blockchain confirmation. Your funds will now show up in Coinbase. Step 2, moving from Coinbase to Cash App. Open Cash App, make sure Bitcoin deposits are enabled in your settings, and go to the Bitcoin tab. Find and copy your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Head back to Coinbase, select Send, choose Bitcoin, paste your Cash App wallet address, and enter the amount. To transfer, double check the address and confirm. Wait again for blockchain confirmation. Once the Bitcoin shows up in your Cash App balance, you can choose to sell it for cash and withdraw to your linked bank account. And that's it. And there you go. That's exactly how to transfer from SafePal to Cash App using Coinbase as the bridge. Remember to always check wallet addresses carefully and be patient while waiting for confirmations. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and check the description for any special links or tips I've included. See you in the next one.